So my name is Felix Perosanz. I work at CNES and I'm in charge of the Solid Earth program. By measuring the gravity field from space, you will get a global view of the mass distribution of the entire Earth. And this mass distribution is not homogeneous. So you will get information of the Earth and what there is inside the Earth. And the interesting thing also is to see how this mass distribution changes, because it changes. And why does it change? Mainly because of the change of the water mass distribution. For example, when a glacier melts, the mass of the glacier changes because this ice goes into the sea. And at this point, the gravity of the Earth has changed. So tracking the water cycle through its gravity signature is something very important, and this is something you can get globally from a satellite which is mapping the gravity of the Earth. In addition, gravity missions could contribute to constrain the energy imbalance, to measure the energy imbalance of the Earth by observing the oceans. I mean, what's happening with the oceans is that the mean sea level is rising. And there are two main reasons for that. One is that because there's more water in the ocean because of ice melting. The second reason is because the temperature of the Earth is increasing. So the oceans are, the size of the ocean is increasing. So we have the two phenomena simultaneously. And by measuring the gravity of the oceans, we are able to separate the two phenomena. And this is very important to better understand the energetic disequilibrium of the Earth. The mass redistribution of the Earth, what you mainly see is how the water of mass is changing on the planet. So we are talking about glaciers which are melting. We are talking about the monsoon, for example, the quantity of water, the rain, intensive rain somewhere. You may see also the droughts, because when the temperature increases and the ground becomes dry, the quantity of water that was on the ground disappears, changes. So you will have a gravity signature of all these things, and we're talking about rain, droughts, glacier melting, and this is of course connected to climate change. So observing the Earth through its gravity is a way to observe the climate of the planet.